My name is Sean England and I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Too Good to Waste. Too Good to Waste is the leading reuse organisation based in Rhondda Cynon Taf. We take items of furniture, electrical and household items, collect them from customers, bring them back into a warehouse where we refurbish them and offer them back out to sale. We've seen a dramatic growth in our business over the last 5 years. Last year we collected 78,000 items and passed them back out to the local communities of Rhondda Cynon Taf. We've managed to secure contracts with commercial organisations as well, people like John Lewis, Lidl. So that's really helped us to grow an infrastructure of supply base as well. The positive impact is in many different areas of what we do. First of all those items would have been possibly destined for landfill, and there's a great money-saving point to that. But also, in order to do this, we supported 282 volunteers last year, so there's the greater social benefit. The future's really bright. We've managed to purchase another building, so what we're going to do is where people can't come to us, we're going to go to them, offering the same services that we offer in all our other locations.
I'm Jay Martin. I'm Strategic Business Development Manager for Crest Cooperative. Everything that we do is designed to support people, provide opportunities for people, and we do that through recycling and reuse operations. Crest has for 20 years been providing services to the local community to collect unwanted furniture, unwanted textiles, unwanted washing machines, etc., refurbishing them all and selling them in our retail store for benefit to the local community. We've grown significantly. We've developed enterprises that generate their own income, so we became less grant reliant. The growth of our business has created more and more opportunities to support people and help people that are needing a little bit of a leg up. The white goods recycling facility is an area where there's opportunity for significant growth for us, because we're now working with other organisations outside of Wales even to repair their white goods for the benefits of their community, because we have a unique facility here. Every element of what we do grows week on week, month on month.
Richard Hwdmont ydw i, a fi yw cadeirydd y bwrdd Sarin. Cyhoeddwr ydyn ni, ac rydyn ni'n cyhoeddi mewn 3 maes arbennig, barddoniaeth, llyfrau ffeithiol a ffuglen. Ond yn uwchben hynny, wrth gwrs, rydyn ni'n gwneud lot o ddigwyddiadau i hyrwyddo llyfrau, i gydweithio a phobl. Mae'n lot mwy na just cyhoeddi llyfrau.
Community aspects are really big with Sy'n. We run a lot of events, lots of them in independent bookshops like this one, Octavos in Cardiff Bay. We also do monthly events where we encourage people to take part in open mic, helping people to engage with literature. We also ran Cardiff's first poetry festival in February 2018, so we do a lot of social stuff.
Wel, rydyn ni wedi tyfu yn dda iawn yn y blwyddyn diwethaf, ac wrth gwrs rydyn ni'n gallu buddsoddi'r arian rydyn ni wedi ennill i mewn i'r cwmni, i mewn i lyfrau newydd, a gallwn ni gymryd mwy o risgiau efallai na buon ni'n cael wneud o'r blaen.
We're hoping that we'll continue to grow and reach new audiences. We're investing a lot of time in putting the word out about our authors, trying more video content online to try and get more people involved and put Welsh literature and culture on the map, really.